Hey there, viewers! Do this one simple exercise for defined abs. Abdominal crunch has been the mainstay of ab workouts for decades. They target the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscle that runs along the front of the torso. Building this muscle is one part of developing your core muscles for stability and performance. It can be part of a core strength workout or a total body workout. In this video, we will learn the simplest and most effective ab exercise. Continue watching this video for more. Number 1. Abdominal crunch benefits. The rectus abdominis muscle flexes to bring your shoulders towards your hips. As one of the major core muscles, it provides stability for the body. A strong back and abs are the foundation of all your daily movements as well as performance in sports. If you build your rectus abdominis and have low enough body fat, you will see the six-pack abs that many people desire. Abdominal crunch is designed to tone the core muscles of the body. The exercise aids in strengthening the core muscles, improving the posture, and increasing the mobility and flexibility of the muscles. Doing abdominal crunch on a regular basis can help strengthen your abdominal muscles, but crunches can also do much more. Incorporating it into your workout routine can also help build better posture, since you need strong core muscles to stand up straight. In turn, having good posture and a strong core means you're less susceptible to low back pain or back injuries in general. A strong core can also help with certain endurance events like running, swimming, or cycling. It's true, you need strong abdominal muscles to maintain proper form during longer bouts of exercise. Your core is responsible for so many daily movements, and you can help strengthen it by doing abdominal crunch. Having said that, it's not a miracle exercise. If you're looking to build six-pack abs, no amount of crunches alone will get you there. Remember that weight loss is complicated, and if you're looking to lose weight or flatten your stomach, exercise is only one small part of the equation. Eating healthy foods, getting adequate sleep, and working with a doctor or dietitian are all a good idea if sustainable weight loss is a goal. Also, your weight is dependent on a number of other factors that can be out of your control, including hormones, genes, and more, which is important to keep in mind. Abdominal crunches work your rectus abdominis, the long flat muscle on the front of your torso, plus your internal and external obliques, the muscles that wrap around the side of your body. It will also help engage your transverse abdominis, which are your innermost core muscles. While not 100% effective in burning fat from the body, these exercises will build muscle mass and enhance the body's ability to effectively burn fat. Furthermore, the density of the muscles will be enhanced. Physical therapists, doctors, and fitness class experts all agree that there are several unique health benefits associated with performing abdominal crunch. These include the following. Abdominal crunch is an excellent means of burning calories in the body. According to studies conducted, it has been established that a half hour of crunches has the ability to burn an amazing amount of calories, 300 to be exact. Abdominal crunches is a highly effective way of improving the balance because it aids in strengthening up the muscles in your abdominal cavity. Abdominal crunch is highly important in improving posture. If your posture is optimized, you will find that you not only function in a more effective manner in daily activities, but that you do not suffer from any type of pain in the lower back or back muscle injuries. Number 2. Abdominal crunch step-by-step instructions. Number 1. Lie down on the floor on your back and bend your knees, placing your hands behind your head or across your chest. Some people find that crossing the arms over the chest helps them avoid pulling on the neck. However, if you find your neck is strained, you can keep one hand cradling the head. If you are putting your hands behind your head, your fingers should gently cradle your head. The idea is to support your neck without taking away from the work of your abs. Number 2. Pull your belly button towards your spine in preparation for the movement. Number 3. Slowly contract your abdominals, bringing your shoulder blades about 1 or 2 inches off the floor. Number 4. Exhale as you come up and keep your neck straight, chin up. Imagine you're holding a tennis ball under your chin. That's about the angle you want to keep the chin the entire time. Number 5. Hold at the top of the movement for a few seconds, breathing continuously. Number 6. Slowly lower back down, but don't relax all the way. Number 7. Repeat for 15 to 20 repetitions with perfect form for each rep. Number 3. Abdominal crunch common mistakes. Doing abdominal crunch correctly is harder than it looks. Avoid these errors so that they can be as effective as possible. Pulling on the neck. This not only strains the neck, but it takes away from working your abs. You want to originate the movement in your abs, not from your head. To keep your neck in proper alignment and not moving, place your fist under your chin. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Crunching too high. The crunch is a subtle movement lifting the shoulder blades just a few inches off the floor. Jerking the shoulders up adds momentum and reduces the effectiveness of the exercise. It takes time to build strength in the abs, so it's best to take your time and do the move slowly rather than using momentum to get the body up. Relaxing down to the floor. It's easy to let your shoulders fall to the floor, but a more effective approach is to keep the tension on the abs throughout the entire movement. You never want to completely relax the shoulders onto the floor. Back arch. In the past, it was recommended to keep your back flat against the floor throughout the entire movement. Now it is believed it is better to keep a neutral spine. That simply means your spine is in the strongest position to support you. A quick way to find is to rock the pelvis back and then forward, and then allow your pelvis to relax somewhere between those two extremes. If your back arch is too much, that may mean your abs need time to build strength. Try propping your feet on a step or platform to give your back some support. Number 4. Other types of crunches. Modified bicycle crunch. If you have trouble keeping your legs lifted during a bicycle crunch, this modified version helps ease discomfort on your lower back and keeps your neck supported, all while toning your obliques. Your upper body will also benefit from a fuller range of motion as you move from one side to the other. How to do it. Number 1. Lay flat on your back on an exercise mat and place your hands behind your ears on your head, keeping your arms in a straight line. Number 2. Lift your head with your hands in a 45-degree angle to the floor and bend your knees in front of you, with just your heels touching the mat, toes pointed up. Number 3. Lift your right knee to about a 90-degree angle to the floor as you bring your left elbow to meet it. Number 4. Now switch opposite sides with the same motion, engaging your core muscles the whole time. Number 5. Repeat for 8 reps. Standing crunch. Standing crunches are great as part of a dynamic warm-up because they activate the muscles in your abs, arms, and legs while getting your heart rate up. But they're also ideal for an active recovery mid-hit workout when you transition from one set to the next, or when you want to slow down your heart rate as you switch from cardio to strength training. How to do it. Number 1. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Number 2. Bring your arms up with your hands reaching for the ceiling and your palms facing each other. Number 3. Engage your core to lift your right knee to hip height. Number 4. At the same time, lower your arms at your sides, bringing them by your waist. Number 5. Return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. Number 6. Do 8 reps. What do you want to learn about next? Share us your thoughts by commenting down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.